I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad. Same old nigga from the block. Same old nigga with the pop. Same old.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about a new synthetic wig. This one is from Outre, and Sam's Beauty was kind enough to send it to me. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright you guys, so the unit that I have for you all today is called Coco, and I do have her in the color 2T30. So I do want to do a little comparison between Coco, this unit in the box, and the unit that I am rocking right now. I'll show you the stock card, and I do have a review up on this unit so you can go check it out. This is what the two stock cards look like. They are extremely similar. I feel like Outre is like trying to troll us right now because they stay dropping two wigs at the same time on the same day and almost the same colors that look literally almost identical. So my thing today was to sort of just take a look and see what are the main differences between Halle or Halle and Coco. And I also realized that Outre has two colors that are very, very similar right now. They have this 2T27 and 2T30. So I decided to get those two colors so I can compare and contrast those as well. So if you want to see more about what the differences are between these two units and these two colors, then definitely keep on watching. So right off the bat, I'm looking at the unit and I feel like the waves on this one are a lot smaller, and I definitely can see that the color of this 30 is definitely a lot warmer and browner. This one is a lot closer to like a blonde shade. This one's like more yellow and brassy, and this is more warm and brownish. So looking at the cap construction is exactly the same. You have your two combs on the side, one comb in the back, your two adjustable straps, and your long middle part. You also have that same V cut at the bottom. And it looks like you have some nice long layers, just like in this unit as well. In terms of the density on this unit, yeah, the density is definitely the same on these two units. And let's see about the texture. Right now, the texture sort of does feel the same. Although this one does feel a little rougher at the ends. This one just feels a little more like crunchy at the ends. This one, not so much. And I wonder if it's this color. Maybe it's the color that gives it this feel. I'm not sure, but this one to me already feels a little smoother. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace on this one, take this unit off, and pop this one on. So this unit right away, I can say that I definitely like this unit better than the other one. The hand on this one is way softer. The ends feel really like, you know, full and healthy. The ends on the other color felt very, like split to me, which is crazy because it's a synthetic wig. But yeah, this one just feels softer and smoother. I actually like this one without it even being brushed out. I like it just straight out the pack. I definitely wear it straight out the pack just like this, and that's very rare. I rarely ever wear a unit straight out the pack without, you know, styling it a little bit. But I don't feel like I need to do anything with the part. I don't feel like I need to do any baby hairs. And that's one thing I will say about this lace front wig collection. I haven't had to do any baby hairs, any powder in the part, anything like that on any of the wigs from this collection. And that's a true testament to the collection being very, very natural and very ready to wear and easy to go. The only thing that I've done consistently with all the wigs from this specific collection is I wear a nude cap, and wearing the nude cap definitely helps. for the part to look more natural. And yeah, so I definitely feel like these wigs are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and brush this one just for the sake of the video, but like I said, I don't feel the need to brush this one, but for the sake of the video I will, because like I almost feel like I like it better without it being brushed. I kind of like this side better. Yeah, I definitely like the side that's not brushed out better than the side that is. But for continuity's sake, I'm gonna go ahead and brush this side as well. I really like how this unit looks. This unit is long. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it from all sides. This unit is so pretty. This color is amazing. I love this color. By comparison, Halle, I'm sorry, is getting like a no for me. Coco is a all the way yes. And color 27 is a no for me, but 30 is a heck yes. I love this color. I love this unit. I just think she's ready to go and so summer ready. Like, she's so pretty. I feel like she'd be cute with a hat on too. I don't have a hat that I could grab right now, or even like a head wrap. Just throw a little head wrap on. So cute. If you guys like this top was sent to me by Nyota Store. It is a Instagram store that is on Instagram, obviously. If you'd like to grab you a crop top, I will leave a link in the information section down below, so you can definitely check that out. Oh, the lipstick, I know somebody's gonna ask me. The lipstick today is by Black Up Cosmetics. It is the color LM03. It's a liquid lipstick in a hot pink shade, and I did line my lips with a brown liner, and I did add just a little bit of nude over the hot pink lipstick as well. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it for this review. If you guys have questions for me, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to get back to you. Make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and you turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload. And make sure you're following me on all my social media at JessTheDragoness. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.